everyone, it's me Deja coming to y'all with another video, and today we're gonna talk about my piercing, how much it costs, what it. Okay, hair flip. Okay. Why did I do that? Because I just got my hair done, y'all, and I'm really feeling it right now. So I just want to talk about it. Let me just tell y'all about my hair. Okay, so first of all, sis got Bohemian locks. Okay, I had it in my hair for a little minute now. It's the stuff. I like it. Like, I never had Bohemian locks before. I never had any types of locks before. I'm the girl that's just, I used to do some stick a little twist and keep it moving. But that was back in the day. Time has changed. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I got Bohemian locks. My girl Shan did it. I'm gonna post her Instagram, all the information down below or up here. It doesn't matter. Probably both of them. But yeah, go check her out if y'all are interested in getting Bohemian locks. If you're in the metro Atlanta area, she is a traveling braider. That means that she will come to you, provide the hair and the accessories. So yes, her information will be down below or up there or both. Okay, so yeah, but I think she really did a good job. I may also do a video on like styles to do with Bohemian locks, or just locks or braid, individual braids, because basically that's what this is, but they're like twisted, like, so you can't see the braids. But yeah, I may come up with a video to where y'all can like see different styles to do with y'all hair and all that other good stuff. But yeah, y'all, it's been a minute since I've been on here. Okay, but I had to come on here because I just got my hair done, so I had to show out. Okay, but anyway, so let's go with the piercing first. I have about like I had lipstick right there. So let's see, I have how many piercings? I have 6 piercings, y'all. 6 piercings. That's how many piercings that I do have. Yeah. And most of these piercings recorded.
Hi you guys. Okay, I just wanted to record this little part on this video to tell you guys that this video was meant to be a piercing and tattoo videos with meanings, but it was too long, so I cut it up in half. So this portion is just gonna be me talking about my piercing. So if you do hear me say a tattoo or anything about the tattoo, just know that this video was supposed to be about piercing and tattoos, but it was too long. So this is basically gonna be part 1. Okay, guys, back to the video.
But when you're a girl or whatever, typically most people get their daughter's ears pierced. I said most people, not all people, but most people do. So that's where the first piercing came from. Okay, I got my second. Well, I got my second thing pierced, but it's gone now. That was irrelevant. I just want to tell y'all that. Yeah, let it go. It was, anyways. Yeah, I'm a little jewel sticking out. Okay, y'all. So the next piercing that I have, that I got done, is my, hold on, hair getting stuck, is my cartilage piercing, which is right here. That cost, I believe, maybe $30 or $40. I want to say maybe 30. I want to say $30, but I'm not really sure. So $30 or $40. I'm gonna look it up in my video. That link will be right here. It's up there. If you want to watch a video of me getting my cartilage piercing done, I got it done at the mall. Well, a person I went to school with, she did it. It was just random that she was even there to do it. I got it done at Icings. I know y'all have judgment on that, but that's another story to do with the gun. And I feel like because I got done at Icings, it probably was like $30. It had to be like $30 because I got done at the mall. So yeah, how old was I? 18. I think I was 18. But yeah, so like I said, that video will be linked up here and also down here. So yeah. The next piercing that I have is, I got my nose piercing done. So I got that done when I was 17 years old. Oh, I had that first. Well, I got my nose piercing done before I got my cartilage piercing done. Wow, I did. I sure did. Okay. But yeah, I have my nose piercing. My nose piercing was $40. I got it done at Lucky Draw Tattoo. They wouldn't let me record an actual video. I did take pictures of it, but it's on an old laptop. But let me just tell y'all, when that needle goes through your nose, water, tears is gonna come out. Let me tell you, tears is gonna come out, y'all. Like, it's gonna come out. So And I got this nose piercing done. Yeah, that was $40 at Lucky Draw Tattoo. And they would not let me record nothing, so I don't have nothing to show you guys. And that laptop is so old and so slow. I'm not even gonna pull it up. Like, I'm not. So yeah, my other piercing that I have here is my favorite piercing of them all. These two are my favorites, nose and industrial bar. But the industrial bar was the most expensive piercing that I do have. This cost $60. Got it done at Planet Ink. Yeah, I got that done at Planet Ink, and that was $60. I do have a video of that being done. It was real quick and easy. Pain wasn't too bad for me, but the healing process was horrible. So yeah, not really horrible, it just hurt, and it took 6 months to heal. So I got that done at Planet Ink, $60. And I was probably like, maybe I was 21, and I got this done. Okay, y'all, so my next piercing I have is my, oh, you can't see it, belly button piercing. So that was my next piercing that I got done also at Planet Ink, and that was about, I believe it was $40, and I believe I was 20 years old at the time. That video, I did record that. That's also on YouTube, so the link will be up here or down here. Yeah, that really, it didn't hurt for real. My stuff never got infected. So yeah. The products that I used for my piercings was, this is it says sea salt water with the bottled water. I think I used nasal spray, some saline spray or some wound wash spray, something like that for my nose. That did end up getting a bump, but I got rid of it. Also my this ended up getting a bump on top of my ear, but I got rid of that as well, which Hazel, I mean, I can go into detail on how to get rid of certain stuff if y'all want me to. If y'all ask me like, hey, I got this bump, how you get rid of it, I'm gonna tell you, because 9 times out of 10 I probably had the same thing, but like, it's gone now, y'all, because I got rid of it. No bump right here, no bump on top of my nose piercing. Let's see what else we got. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all my piercings, y'all. So yeah, that's it. That's the end of this video. My name is Deja. Once again, please subscribe to my channel. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Deja Boo 013. That's me. Yeah. Until next time. Bye.